This is algebra class again. We're still on lesson 10-1. This is part 2 about organizing and describing data. We're going to work on double bar graphs now. It says comparisons between two groups can be made easily on a double bar graph. The question is, which class shows the greatest difference between residents and non-residents? Dance. Compare bars for each class. Choose the bars with the greatest difference. How many more people were enrolled in soccer than dance? Find the total for soccer. So here's soccer at $350 for non-residents and $300 for residents. That adds up to $650. And then find the total for dance. Here's dance with 100 and 250, which adds up to 350. And the question asked for the difference. And so you do 650 minus 350, and that gives you an answer of 300. Now, of course, you have to know how to read the double bar graph, but if you made it to algebra, I'm pretty sure you already know how to do that. Just look at the key. Resident, that's the white bar. Non-resident, that's the dark bar. A resident is a person who lives in a town or a state or a country, and a non-resident is somebody who doesn't live there. Like at the natatorium, they charge you a different amount of money. If you live within the city, you're a resident, they charge you one price. If you live like in Stowe or something, they charge you a different price because you're a non-resident. Okay, so that was the double bar graph. Next, we move on to the double line graph. Remember, line graphs show change over time. So let's just look at what we've got here. Instructor employment by gender. Number of instructors. And here we've got, this is kind of goofy. It sure would be nice if there were colors. But we've got male is the line that's got that little triangle through it, and female is the one that's got that little box through it. So that's how you keep track of that. I guess I could just add some color to it. Okay, so I made the line graph for female green, so maybe we can see it a little bit better. And they just want you to look at it and answer a couple questions. During which months were the number of male instructors equal to the number of female instructors? And it says we should look for where the data points overlap, which would be right here. They come together. This is January, February, March, April, May. So that's why our answer is May. The other question says between what two consecutive, that means 2 months in a row, consecutive months, did the number of female instructors increase the most? So we're looking for at the female data points, which are green with the triangle or with the rectangles, and find the steepest possible slope, which is this one right here, and that goes from February to March. So February to March would be the answer there. Okay, then you can answer these questions for yourself. Go ahead and write your answers in your notes, and pause the video and then turn it back on when you're ready for the answers. Here are your answers. Number 5 is carpool. Number 6 is 4. Number 7 is 22. Number 8, savings. Number 9, entertainment and clothing. And number 10 is $100.